What's going on, guys? Astro here with Hidden Profits Crypto. Before we get into today's video, as usual, I'm going to give a huge thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel. We got a lot of new subscribers, so if you're new, welcome. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure to do so. We're getting real close to 4,000 subs, and I would appreciate it a ton. We show a lot of low-cap altcoins, hidden gems, and other great projects, so if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to sub and hit that notification bell. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, guys, so we're going to be taking a first look at a really cool gaming project. This project is called Synergyland. Now, this is a ARPG blockchain game based on the Solana blockchain. I don't think we've really looked at a lot of Solana projects, so this might actually be one of the first Solana games that we look at. But I did find this game quite a while ago and was going to make a video on it, but there really wasn't a lot of information or really anything to show. But I think now is a good time as we're moving closer to the actual NFT sale for the characters that you'll be playing in the game. I figured now would be a good time to get the information out there. So if you guys are interested in it, you can go ahead and hop in. Anyways, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, so here we are at the Twitter at Synergyland Game, Synergyland ARPG, play to earn NFT game powered by Solana. So their Discord right here, you can go ahead and hop in there, and you know, they're doing whitelisting and all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in the game, you might want to go ahead and get in there and kind of interact with the community. So maybe you can get on that whitelist. But the white paper is right here. We're not going to look at that because I have an article and some other things I want to show you guys. But I do suggest, as always, you guys do your own research. You know, come in here, go through the white paper, make sure you know what you're investing in and what you're, you know, going to be dealing with. You don't want to take it from me. I'm just some guy on the internet. Don't just be wildly throwing your money into random projects. So make sure you understand what's going on, understand the team, understand the main focus of the project. And yeah, so they have a link tree with their website, Discord, and all that jazz if you want to check that out. But I would suggest you guys follow them and come here and look through all the content they have. They have some gameplay right here. Mute the audio. But you know, you guys can see the gameplay looks pretty cool. It looks like a ARPG, like, you know, Diablo or Path to Exile. I do happen to love this style of game. It is actually one of my favorites. So that was why I kind of wanted to show it here on the channel, because it is a game type that I really like, and I think it can be extremely successful if done correctly. And the fact that you'll be able to earn money and crypto through playing it is just another incentive. So let's go ahead and head over to the website so we can see what the project's really about. All right, so here we are, synergyland.world. So, you know, white paper here, available in multiple languages. So an ARPG blockchain game, all their socials and all that jazz, YouTube and whatnot there. So features, gameplay, PvE, explore the vast world of Synergia. Hopefully I'm saying that right. In its multiple biomes, creating and customizing your character with 100 spells, feats, and abilities to suit your personal play style. PvP, conquer the arena in explosive battles in a real-time, non-targeting combat system. Choose your hero and your pet and join your friends, or solo mode and dive into combat. So there will be pets. Pets are the perfect player companion and will be a key part of Synergyland, providing great benefits in and out of dungeons. Pets can also be trained to fight in exciting PvP battles. Synergies are essential, being necessary to complete adventures, crafting powerful weapons, and a great advantage in PvP combats. The synergy system will be based on the skills of the character and their pets, unleashing your imagination when creating new and powerful spells. Here you have the synergy world. These are kind of like the different like biomes. So you have, you know, more of your grassy kind of lands here. You got like the fire scorched lands, you know, with, you know, all different monsters in these different areas. This one is like kind of like a watery biome, and Snowgrave, which would be like a wintry kind of biome. So you'll have private island. So housing in Synergy Land, you can build your own house and choose from many models of beds, tables, trophies, chests to store your valuable objects, and much more. Collect furniture and decorate to make your own house a very pleasant home. There will be crafting, which is the backbone of the economy in the Synergy Land game, providing players with a way to shape the world's economy. The manufacturing process is divided into 3 parts: harvesting, processing, and production. So it'll be very interesting to see how they do that. Workers, they are the ones capable of creating objects from blueprints, thanks to great experience and knowledge of the biomes where they belong. Players must have an available space on their land and its respective blueprint to build a workstation, and therefore have a specialized worker. Giving the correct guidelines to the worker, and the order will be taken satisfactorily. So I think that's really cool. I don't know exactly how they're going to do it, but if you can have little worker guys on your land that can do things for you, that's really cool. And then farming, if you need a break from the game, go to your private island and build a farm where you can grow all kinds of crops. Once harvested, you can create different types of foods and potions to fuel your battle efforts, or sell them on the marketplace for profit. So one thing with these games is I like to try to find ones that have multiple things. You don't want a very boring one-dimensional game. This one will give you multiple ways to earn, because you're going to be able to have, workers, you'll be able to craft things, and you'll also have, farming, where you can just chill out and make potions in the food, and then you can just sell them on the market. So that's really cool. So here are all the play to earn things that will be in the game. So NFTs, which represent ownership and uniqueness. This is where we want to promote this technology, creating a world in which players control a market full of opportunities. Characters, bosses, pets, station blueprints are exclusive, and limited series of NFTs will be injected into the game equipment, and crafting blueprints will only be obtained through in-game mechanics. So a lot of different NFTs that will be, utilized here, and you'll have an opportunity to get those, and I'm sure they will have quite a bit of value. So the marketplace, this is where players buy and sell items. These marketplaces are an essential component to the Synergy Land economy. Players can list their items for sale, place orders for items that they're looking to buy, and buy any item listed for sale. So incentivize players. Synergy Land will feature multiple earning paths in the game. The PvE game mode will incentivize players with NFTs and earning ACN tokens once the in-game quests are complete. The seasonal leaderboards will reward the players with the best PvP performance. And then lastly, there will be breeding for the pets. So the breeding process will produce eggs by bringing 2 compatible pets together. The eggs will inherit the properties of the parents, although this process can be manipulated using certain items that will be obtained from loot of the dungeon. So that's cool. Maybe you get a really rare thing that you can use to breed your pets that gives it a special trait or something. Maybe it looks different or whatever. And then I'm sure that'll be a rare breed of pet, which, another way to make some more money. So those are the main features. So you will be able to build your own island. In Synergy Land, you will be able to own one of the islands scattered across the world. These islands will serve as a center of operations where you can create your empire and prepare for your adventures. Build a house to rest from the long days of raiding. Customize it as you wish with thousands of customizable options, and make it your home. Take your pets to the nursing center and create exciting and powerful new pets. Hire workers to gather resources and craft amazing items. In the many stations you'll be able to own and manage farmland to grow your crops. Possibilities are endless, and only you can decide what to do next. So I always love that. This is actually one of my favorite things about a lot of these games, is having like your own little like bubble. I know there was a game, I believe it was on Cardano, called like Cornucopias or something like that, and it literally takes it's like a bubble, and you have your own little land in that bubble. I really like this idea of having your own little space. It's on an island. You'll have your workers, you'll have your farm, you'll have your house, you'll have all your pets and all that. It'll be your own little place that you can come to, like they said, when you're done raiding or doing whatever. So I really like this, and it adds another level of customization. And if you can even sell the entire land piece, that would be really cool too, because maybe you have it fully upgraded, and there's maybe different kinds or different sizes of islands. Maybe you can flip that fully upgraded, fully tricked out piece of land and buy a bigger piece of land and then start the whole process over. Just brainstorming. I don't know if that's actually what you're gonna be able to do, but that's kind of what I think. And then the play to earn NFTs. So you'll fight through the dungeons and collect exclusive armor, weapons, crafting blueprints, and even very rare pets. You can rest on your island and decide what to do with the loot, empower your character, or trade it in-game in the in-game or third-party marketplace. So a lot of cool things here. That's pretty much it for the website. You can check out Synergy Games if you want to check that out. But we're going to go ahead and head over to the article that's talking about the NFT sale for the characters. So let's go ahead and head over there. All right, so here we are at the Medium article, NFT, the Synergian sale. Again, for the third time, I hope I'm saying that right. So welcome Synergy World. The long wait has come to an end. We're excited to announce our launch date for the first Synergy Land NFT sale. So there is the whitelist winners. It will be 2 p.m. CET Monday, the 31st of January, and then 5 p.m. CET that same Monday for the general public. So if you're not on the whitelist, you will still have an opportunity. So whitelist winners will have 3 hours to purchase their NFTs with a limit of 2 per wallet. Once the whitelist round ends and the general public round will start with a limit of 5 NFTs per wallet. The sale will be open to the general public for 7 days. There will be a total of 10,000 Synergians. The price of minting will be 2 SOL. So remember to leave a little bit of room to pay for the fees. They recommend 2.1 SOL just to be safe. So currently, the time of recording this, SOL is about $90. So, when this sale comes, it'll be interesting to see how much it costs. You're looking at about $180 and then plus the fees at current price to mint one of these NFTs, which really isn't that bad. But the way the market's looking, without getting into Bitcoin and all that jazz, we'll more than likely see this come back down. So maybe if you want to pick up some SOL for this opportunity, it might be a good time to do so. Become a Synergian holder and support the project, and who knows, maybe you'll be one of the lucky ones minting the 1 of 4 corrupted Synergian foils. Mark it on your calendar and don't miss the opportunity. So I'm assuming this is the Synergian foils, and these are corrupted ones, so that's cool. I like when there's some special ones here. So these look really dope. I actually like the art style for the whole game. I think it's really cool looking. So Synergian NFT holders perks. So if you mint one of these NFTs, these are basically the perks of what you will get. NFT airdrop participation. Every NFT sale in Synergy Land ecosystem will see a number of NFTs randomly distributed to Synergian holders. So exclusive game NFT artwork. As the game environment evolves, we'll periodically drop NFT artwork exclusively to the Synergian holders. Exclusive Discord role. Flex your exclusive Synergian role on our official Discord server and show your support for the project. In-game asset displays. Show off your Synergian NFT at your house in your own private land. Own more than one. The canvas will change every few seconds to display them all. So that's cool. A real cool way to show off all your Synergian NFTs. Right in your house. And then exclusive, you'll get early beta access, gain access to exclusive beta features before anyone else. The date of the beta release is yet to be determined. So these are the steps for minting. So I'm going to just very quickly go over this. So you're going to want to create a SPL wallet, which would be, any of these wallets here. They recommend using the Phantom wallet. You're going to want to click, you can click here and follow the tutorial if you want, but you're going to fund it using a exchange where you can get some SOL, send the SOL over. The NFT sale will take place on the website right here, and make sure you're only using this link. Do not use any other links, because if you do, then you might end up getting completely ripped off, because there are a lot of scammers that like to just slightly change the URL and send you a link, and you're minting nothing. You're just getting scammed. So make sure you only use this link here, so you don't run into any issues with that. So 50 Synergians will be randomly pre-minted by the team in order to gift one to each of our hardworking team members and do a giveaway down the line for our beloved community. The resale fees in total will be equal to 5%, in which 50% will go to the internal treasury to keep founding the team, and 50% will go to the treasury. So there are all the details. They have all their links down here if you want to check them out. But that is going to wrap up this video. You know, I think these NFTs look really sick, and I think all the utility that you're going to have, it's going to be very, very beneficial to just go ahead and pick one of these up. I really think the 2 SOL price isn't really that bad. A lot of these NFT games that come out, they start off with a very high floor price. They're like $400-$500 even to get started. So like I said, with the current price of SOL being at about 90 bucks at the time of recording this video, I think that, you know, it wouldn't hurt at all to just pick one up. I'm sure by the time these release and once all the minting is done, all 10,000 have been minted, I really don't see why down the line, as they do the land and all the other, you know, aspects of the game, these should appreciate in value. But that's not financial advice, just my opinion. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this first look at Synergy Land. I'm really excited to see how this game comes out. I'm really excited to see all the different NFTs, and I will more than likely be trying to pick up one of these Synergens or whatever the name of them was. I'm going to definitely try to pick one up and go ahead and mint it because I want to take part in it. The game, I think, is just gonna be really cool. Like I said, I love games that are like the style of Diablo or like Path of Exile. I've played them a ton. So anything where I can play that style game, but also be earning some money, you know, you can just, all the different options and routes that you can take. I think just like there'll probably be a whole bunch of people that just sit and farm and make food and that kind of stuff and just sell that and make money that way. You know, it's all up to you, but you're gonna need one of these Synergians or whatever it is. You're gonna need one of those to partake in this. So I would definitely think about picking one up if you're interested in it. But leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think about Synergy Land. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tick that notification bell. That's gonna be it for me today. I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.